I shall now give the floor to the agent of Myanmar, Her Excellency Daw Aung San Suu Kyi. You have the floor, Madam.
Thank you, Mr. President and members of the Court. It is an honor to appear as agent of the Union of the Republic of Myanmar in these proceedings in my capacity as Union Minister for Foreign Affairs. And Rohingya Salvation Army, known as ARSA, launched simultaneously. In the months following the 9th October 2016 attack, it has placed before the court an incomplete and misleading factual picture. According to, among others, the International Crisis Group, ARSA received. The situation in Rakhine is complex and not easy to fathom, but several times after that. This cycle of violence has negatively affected life. It should be left unturned to make domestic accountability work. They will be prosecuted through our military justice system in accordance with Myanmar's constitution.
I now invite Professor Shabas to take the floor. You have the floor.
Thank you very much, Mr. President. Mr. President, Your Excellencies, it's an honor to appear before the court today. An imminent risk of irreparable prejudice to the rights in dispute appeared in the case law of the court a decade ago in Belgium versus Senegal. No shortage of acts that may fit within the paragraphs of Article 2 of the Convention and about which it can be said for the existence of genocidal intent.
I will now give the floor to Mr. Staker. You have the floor.
Mr. President, members of the court, it's an honor to appear before you again, now on behalf of Myanmar. I will address you on two of the prerequisites for provisional measures. In the most general way, to the reports and findings of the fact-finding measures stage, it is clear that the proceedings should not continue.
I will now invite Mrs. Okowa to address the court. You have the floor, Madam.
Mr. President, Madam Vice President, members of the court, I appear before the court for the first time. It's a great honor for me to do so on behalf of the Union of Myanmar.
More slowly for the interpreters.
I will just go over the last sentence then. Such bad faith on the part of a state cannot be assumed by the court, even at the provisional.
Today's sitting is now adjourned.